getting bored. Let's do something. Where I am? Oh, what is this? I think this is a music player. I don't think it's a music player. Let's open. Wow, that was what I wanted to do. I wanted to draw, guys. I wanted to color. This was my real dream. What is it? It's a picture. It's Twilight Sparkle. Wow. There's some colors and crayons also. Let's draw. Let's color. Not quick, but slow is easy. I'm done. Wow, a pony. Is this a fairy tale? Look, they have cutie marks. Ponies always have cutie marks. There are always ponies when they have cutie marks. Oh, she fell. I just want to do still more, guys. Yeah, let's dress up. I want to dress up like her. Let's dress up. Part 2. I'm ready. Wow, look at my dress. People play I need more toys. Let's order it. 911, order me a packet. It was me I ordered. Thank you, man. Wait. Alafis. Oh, I got it. It came with a mirror. It's magic lamp. Oh. This is Twilight Sparkle. Magic will come. Magic will come. Twilight. Oh, the order was already open, guys. I opened it. One toy. No, Twilight. I got one Twilight. Haha, it's a Twilight. It's my real Twilight. Haha, it's a Twilight. This is 2 sections of Twilight. Look, it's one pony Twilight, one girl Twilight. This one, it is so Look, Twilight will go in this mirror, then she will turn into girl. I made a mirror. Let's go in it. Wow, I turned into girl. My glasses. Oh, a mirror. I think when it breaks, it's gonna work. I'm going inside and looking. Hey, it's a Twilight. She came out from there. Oh,
Keep playing, keep playing.
she found a mirror. Oh, I don't know what will it happen. I'm a little scared, right? It does. Hey, I turned into a pony. That is fun turning into a girl. Turning into a girl was so fun. I want to go again and say hello to everyone. What what happened? Oh, I came out. Hey, I want to say hello to all ponies. I'm getting them. To play with some ponies. I'm getting some. Try. How did you turn into girl? Robots, go out. A small Rainbow Dash, you're so cute. Oh, don't cry. Don't be upset, Rainbow Dash. Stand. Pinkie Pie? Yes? How did you turn into girl? I don't know. It was a mirror. Which mirror? That mirror. What me? So, do you want to do Scooter? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, Scooter. And this is Applejack. Applejack? Yes? Yes. How did you turn into girl and get glasses? I don't know how. But Applejack? Let me get you. Oh, you're not big. My hands are only fit with big ones. Fluttershy, you are only big. So I cannot scare you. What about me? But you're still small, Applejack. You're still a little young. Yeah. Soon you will grow up, Applejack. Yeah, don't worry. Don't worry. See, these are so small. Also, Apple Plume, you don't get your cutie mark. That's your regular pony, but she's only a little elderly. He has so many cutie marks. What she's? Rainbow Dash, Rainbow Dash, Rainbow Dash, Rainbow Dash, and Rainbow Dash. Who are you? Who are you? Ah! I'm always playing with my toys. This robot is here. Ah. Guys, you all are tired. This bed I can't fit in this bed.
My bad.
Here's the bed. Here's your bed. Guys, I will carry you off. If you want to be carried, that's time you to carry you off. Oh, good. The robots are only hiding. Sweet Jeans, Fluttershy. What about Rainbow Dash? You will sit and sleep on the second floor. You go also on top of Fluttershy. Oh, hurry up. You Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash, little Rainbow Dash. You are going with the other one, big one. Trixie? Alright, you do bad tricks, so I'm not with you. Oh, my baby came. My baby, sweet. Oh, my baby, you are a pony. It's okay. Huh? My cutie, my baby.
Hilarious.
He has no feeling. Yeah, go up. Like sleeping. Guys, let's all sleep together, guys. No, not like this. Our glasses are going near. Oh, this is terrible. Remedy, Adam. Shoot, perfect. And you're my friend. I'm not sleepy. Okay. Just here. Applejack. Oh, I'm seeing your Twilight glass. Applejack is sleeping on top of Pinkie Pie. And I am of course you're working with mommy. But Rainbow Dash is going inside Twilight's glass. Sweet dreams. Good night. Bye bye. Bye. See you next time on the channel. Channel.